I was going to build a godlike pipeline in 2025, here's the technology I would use. So for the compute layer, I would still use Apache Spark. If it was smaller, maybe DuckDB, but if it's going to be a scalable, large-scale pipeline, definitely Apache Spark for compute. For storage, I would use S3 and Apache Iceberg. You have to pick a catalog there, so I would probably pick Glue catalog because it's just really easy to set up on Amazon. That's probably the best way to go. Then for orchestration, I would probably pick Dagster. Airflow is the other big contender in that space. It's between Dagster and Airflow. I think Dagster is easier to run things with, but Airflow is more popular. For streaming, if you need streaming data, you have two technologies there. I would use Spark Streaming for the compute, and then I would use Kafka for the queue, like the message queue that is pulling the data. So for visualization, I'd probably use something like Power BI. It's been goated for so long. It's kind of unbelievable how long it's been goated. Tableau is probably the next best, and Tableau is also kind of mid. I would say that that's probably the big technologies, and then you need vectorizing things and turning it into the AI layer. So then you have like your model. I would probably pick Claude Sonnet 4.5. Claude is just better than OpenAI. I'm sorry, like it's better. I do not apologize. Actually, I take my sorry back. Claude for your foundational model. I would use Milvus for your vector database. Quadrant is going to be another close contender in that space. If you're trying to build AI agent pipelines, I would use a thing called N8N. So that would be the entire stack. So you have like your data layer that is important for building the context, and then you have your AI layer, which is important for executing the intelligence. And together they all build into a beautiful stack that will print you millions of dollars.